Welcome to DIV TV. Today we are at Carlsbad in the midst of rainbow of flowers to celebrate Festival of Colors. Wow, what a combination! Vibrant flowers with vibrant colors. Come on, let's go join everyone to celebrate Holi. Happy Holi! Festival of Colors, I thought it's only Colors Festival, but here lots of dance, music and fun going on. Many kids have performed and here we have little kids performing from Andas. So Andas, what songs have you performed for?
So we did a mix of Bollywood and some Punjabi mix, and this is for a lot of kids. This is the first time that they've ever performed in Holi.
Wow, very nice. And kids, how was performing with Holi with all the colors on? How was it?
It was very fun.
You want to do it again?
Yeah!
Woo! Once again, everyone, happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
So, where did you come from?
We come from Cypress, California.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. So, which song did you perform?
We performed to Balam Pichakari and then we performed to Galan Gudian and a lot of Hindi songs.
So, how was it performing for Holi?
It was amazing and fantastic.
So, you all want to say happy Holi once?
Happy Holi!
Wonderful. Amazed to see 3-year-old performing for Holi. Woo! Wow, they're already dancing. Look at them.
It's awesome! We're enjoying!
Yeah. All your families here?
Yes, of course!
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Everybody do this move, come on. Everybody join
So upset because she choreographed 8th grade.
Oh, okay. Okay, 8th grader. Okay, 1 second. Kids, come on! Okay, go! Three-year-old and he danced over here. Okay, which place are you from?
Bangalore.
Oh, you're from Bangalore? So how was celebrating Holi over here?
My son was danced and my husband is also a North Indian.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, let me ask you this. Do you know what is the reason behind celebrating Holi?
It's a festival of colors.
Festival of Colors, Festival of Spring. You here for celebrating Holi?
Yes, it's my first time celebrating Holi and it was wonderful. I had a very wonderful time and it was fantastic. I hope to do it again.
So did you know that you're going to coming here for Festival of Colors? Do you know that?
No, I did not. That's going to be good.
So which place are you from?
I'm from Vista in India.
Oh, here.
I'm here from Vista, California.
So how are you enjoying the celebration?
Oh, it's been wonderful. We see so many Indians playing the colors, and it's awesome. It's awesome experience.
We had a lovely time today. It was wonderful. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. I don't see colors on you yet. So did you come just now?
We were actually performing, so we are not
Yeah.
playing the Holi yet.
So in for playing now?
Yeah, we're gonna go look at the flower fields first and then come back and play Holi.
Get drenched in colors.
Yep.
So how was celebrating Holi at Fluffy?
So far it was fun, but we have not yet played, so yeah.
I love Holi though, but I'm gonna play later on for sure, yes. Everybody over here, whosoever is celebrating Holi, a very happy Holi. Play safe and be happy.
Happy Holi, everyone.
Hi little girls, is this your first time playing Holi?
Good.
So how was it?
Good.
You enjoyed? Say happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
So how was where did you come from?
From San Diego, but I spent 2 years in Hyderabad.
Oh, is
Yeah. So I've been to Holi before. Yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful. So did you bring them for celebrating Holi over here?
Yep. Brought them for Holi and for the flowers.
Wow, wonderful.
Yeah.
So how was your experience here today?
Oh, great. Yeah. Super fun.
Kids had fun?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
So where are you from?
I'm from Carlsbad.
Carlsbad.
So how are you celebrating Holi?
Oh, it's amazing with lots of colors and dance.
And I'm trying to recognize people with color on their faces, stranger or a friend.
So did you have food?
Oh no, not yet.
I
We are
had-
still enjoying.
Pani puri for me, it's awesome.
Hi there, this is Ajit, Sonali. So we are volunteers for this organization called Akshay Patra. Most of you might know. This is the chapter of Akshay Patra, worldwide it's called Akshay Patra USA. This is a non-profit charity organization. We do raise funds.
Largest midday meal program in the world. We serve 1.76 million kids across 14,000 government schools across 12 states in India. Please, if you want to sponsor a child's education completely free of education, just donate $20 to www.foodforeducation.org.
$20 donation serves one child for the full year. That's the beauty and the economies of scale that we have right here. So all the kids here, the girls, boy, high school.
Hi. Yeah, we volunteer and we love helping.
And so, as of last year, Akshay Patra served 3 million meals. And by next year, 2020, we want to donate 5 billion.
Our goal is to reach 5 billion by 2020.
Wow, that's a wonderful goal. Kudos to all the good work you girls are doing.
We would like to invite all the high schoolers. If you want to become the youth ambassadors, join us. Please go on the website and join the San Diego Youth Ambassador team. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy Holi.
Hello, my name is Alex Kiwan and I'm a field representative for State Assemblywoman Tasha Burner Horvath. I'm here today to present a certificate in recognition of our Indian culture. I would like to thank our Indian culture for bringing the Holi Festival to the Carlsbad Flower Fields for the first time. We are so thrilled to share in the welcoming of the arrival of spring through a vibrant and festive celebration like Holi. By spreading Indian culture through dance, song, food, and language, you have brought something entirely unique to our North County community. On behalf of the State Assembly, I hope you will continue to share Indian culture throughout Southern California, and I thank you for letting us be a part of today.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Akshita.
Thank you very much, Raga.
So we have Akshita over here from our Indian culture. They are the ones who organized Holi Festival at Flower Fields. So Akshita, how did you get the thought of hosting Holi event at this vibrant colors?
Oh my God, that's a beautiful question, and because Holi is a festival of colors, and it's like welcoming the spring, and I don't think so. It would be a better venue than this, celebrating this colorful festival in beautiful colors. With the tulips behind the background, so it's all beautiful. It looks beautiful. So we just thought, there are a lot of Holis that happen on the beach or in the parks, but we wanted to do something different, and that's what we always try to do. We always try to do different kind of events and bring something different to our events. So that was the whole idea behind it.
This is a very innovative thought. So what is the biggest event you have hosted so far?
The Holi is the biggest event, that we have hosted so far. We've been doing events for last 4 years, but particularly this event, we have, like, if you see right now, I think there are more than 10,000 people here. So, and we are expecting 30 to 35,000 people in whole day to come in here. So that's the biggest event. I'm excited. Like in the morning, I'm up since 3 o'clock, and I'm like, oh my God, how it's going to happen? How are we going to handle so many people? And at the same time, I was very excited for the event. So
30 to 40,000, I can't even imagine. So what is the effort it took to make it happen?
Of course, to put up this kind of event, it took us months and months of planning, executing, and doing things. Behind we have our team. Just to name few of them, like Dhruvin, Maitri, Nisha, Neeraj, my husband, our decorator Wani and Paula, and there are a lot of other people who have worked behind the scenes to make this event so successful.
Congratulations, our Indian culture, and on behalf of DIV TV, We wish you all the very best. Wishing our Indian culture to do many more successful events in the future. All the very best. Thank you for celebrating Holi with DIV TV. Keep watching DIV TV for more updates.